Hello, I'm Kim Sharkey, Operations Officer with the Florida Division of Emergency Management in the State Watch Office. The following is your daily situation report for March 26, 2009. The State Emergency Operations Center is currently a Level 3 or monitoring status. One or more of the nuclear power plants are operating at less than normal capacity. There are no major energy outages reported in the state of Florida. All airports and seaports are open and functioning normally at this time. All major highways in the state are open or will be open within the next 12 hours. There are no health advisories issued for the state of Florida and no confirmed or suspected major attack on any major computer network within the state of Florida. There are no known border security or migrant issues at this time. And now for our weather.
Thank you, Kim. Severe thunderstorms and heavy rain will be possible across much of northwest Florida today and tonight. A cold front extending from the Ohio River Valley southward to the central Gulf Coast will continue to progress eastward today into the southeastern U.S. A low-pressure area along the southern end of the front over Alabama and Tennessee will drive the associated cold front eastward into Florida, bringing numerous showers and thunderstorms to the Florida Panhandle and Big Bend today. The main threat for severe weather and heavy rainfall will occur with a strong band of thunderstorms moving east into the western Florida Panhandle early this morning and then into the Florida Big Bend during the afternoon and early evening. Thunderstorms along and ahead of this line will have the capability to produce damaging wind gusts, hail, frequent lightning, heavy rain, and possibly an isolated tornado. And the Storm Prediction Center has placed the Florida Panhandle and much of the Florida Big Bend, mainly west of Jefferson County, in a slight risk area for severe thunderstorm development today. The Storm Prediction Center has also issued a tornado watch for the western Florida Panhandle until 9 a.m. Central Daylight Time, as well as a tornado watch for the eastern Florida Panhandle until 2 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Additional watches to the east appear likely later today. In addition to the severe weather, flooding may become a concern as many storms will have the potential to produce heavy rainfall. 1 to 3 inches of rain is possible over a widespread area today, with 3 to 6 inches of rainfall possible in areas where heavy storms continue to move over the same areas. As a result, the National Weather Service has issued a flash flood watch for the western Florida Panhandle and a flood watch for the eastern Florida Panhandle and Florida Big Bend through tonight. A slight chance for severe weather will continue tonight. The frontal boundary is expected to slow or possibly stall near the Florida Panhandle or over southern Georgia tonight as the low-pressure area driving the system lifts far northeast away from the region. This will continue high rain chances into tonight, and an approaching upper-level disturbance along the front may allow for a few strong to severe thunderstorms to continue to develop into the night. Otherwise, another warm and dry day is forecast for much of the Florida Peninsula. Isolated to scattered showers and thunderstorms will be possible this afternoon and tonight across mainly northern portions of the Florida Peninsula as the cold front approaches and stalls across Georgia. Otherwise, partly cloudy skies are expected today and tonight with breezy conditions. Southerly winds of 10 to 20 miles an hour are expected across the entire peninsula today, with occasional gusts to 25 miles an hour inland and gusts up to 30 to 35 miles an hour along the coast. Because of these gusty winds, a lake wind advisory is in effect for much of northeast Florida this afternoon. These strong winds will also continue to produce a high risk of rip currents along most Atlantic coast and Panhandle coast beaches today. A high surf advisory is also in effect for Walton, Bay, and Gulf counties this afternoon. For drought conditions, the Keach Byram Drought Index average for the state of Florida is now 574 on a scale of 0 to 800. Abundant rainfall is forecast for northwest Florida today and should significantly reduce drought conditions over those areas, but much of the Florida Peninsula is expected to remain dry until Saturday. This dry weather, warm temperatures, very dry soils, and gusty winds will keep the wildfire threat elevated across the peninsula through Saturday.
The Florida Division of Emergency Management has launched a new interactive website, www.kidsgetaplan.com, as part of the 2009 Kids Weather Survival Week activities. This family-friendly site is designed to give all students, kindergarten through 6th grade, teachers, and residents free downloadable information, educational activities, and stories on Florida weather hazards. And as always, you can get a plan at www.floridadisaster.org. That's all we have for you today. Have a great day.